So this will be an annotation of the first two or three paragraphs of the Marquet essay. I don't want the video to be very long, so I'm not going to do too much of it. But ideally, you will annotate and read at the same time. Now, you would do this by hand, okay? Driving west from Fargo on I-94, the freeway that cuts through the state of North Dakota, you'll encounter a road so lonely, treeless, and devoid of rises and curves in places that it will feel like one long held pedal steel guitar note. If your tires are in proper alignment, you'll only need to tap your steering wheel to keep your car on a straight ahead path. All right, so a bunch of things can hop out. And just because this is what I see doesn't mean if you see something different that you're wrong, okay? But right away, diction pops out at me. The words lonely, tireless, and devoid strung together, those all have, negative connotations. Yeah, the fact that like if your tires are in proper alignment, you only need to tap your steering wheel. Like, I mean, I think that that could be diction, it could be symbolism almost, it could be a metaphor because what she's saying there is that things are so straight and narrow, so boring, right? That like you don't even have to hardly steer your car. Another thing that hops out at me is the specific, like the proper nouns that she uses: Fargo, I-94, North Dakota. She might be doing something there. We would have to, I think, for at least I would need to get more from that later in the essay um, in order to be able to write a paragraph about it. And then I guess the other thing that she does is the long held pedal steel guitar note. Again, I just think that it evokes a very boring image. I mean, imagine a sound from an instrument that just one sound that just keeps droning on, right? So I think a lot of the things in this first paragraph are about boredom, right? And so, yeah, okay.